Friends, welcome back to tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you two ways how to install Small PDF as an application on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. So if you would like to use Small PDF and want to have it as an application on your Windows PC, then this is how to install it on your computer. So you want to head over to smallpdf.com, right? So the first way how you can install this, guys, is by simply heading over to smallpdf.com. And you can do this via your browser, right? So how do you do that? Let me show you the trick. Let's say I'm in Google Chrome. I can click the three dots on the upper right hand side, go down to cast, save, and share, and you see install as an app. You click on that. Of course, you'll need to make some small modification to the name, so you can rename it to whatever you want, and then click on install, and it will install on your computer like that, right? So you can go ahead and you can also sign in. Once you sign in, you'll log straight into your account. So I'm going to show you how that is done. I'm going to log into my account. Here you can see that I'm logged into the app, and I can use the app, do whatever I want, right? This is my account. You can see the profile and so forth, right? So that's how you can easily log into the app. You can easily uninstall it as well by click the three dots here, click uninstall, and you can uninstall it from this app as well. If you check your computer as well, you will see that it is on your computer. If you look at my taskbar, you can see that I have it installed. If I click here on my computer and type in small, you can see small PDF as an application here. If I go to my add and remove programs, you will also see that I have it as an application there. Let me go ahead and show you. So here you can see my apps. If I type in small, you will see that I have small PDF there. I can uninstall it as well. Let me go ahead and uninstall that. And you can see that it's removed from my computer. Now I'm going to show you the second way how to do that. So let's go back to small PDF, right? So once you head over to smallpdf.com, let me go ahead and sign out of my account here for a moment. Now the second way how to do that is by scrolling down to the bottom of the page, and you will see on the apps, so you can see that it says download small PDF and PDF scanner, which you don't want right now, and you see Windows app. So if you click on Windows app, it will take you over to this page here. Just simply click on download app. And as you can see, it download a small PDF.msi app. So if you go to your downloads folder, you will see it as well. So all you have to do is double click to run this MSI installer, accept the terms, click on install, and allow it to install the app. I'm going to close out this for the time being. And as you can see, it pops up on my desktop. I can go ahead and click finish. It will launch. And here you can see it is showing on my computer. So this is the application, and you can always click the profile here and sign into your account. Same with the Gmail. It will sign you right into your account. And as you can see here, this is the application. It looks slightly different, but everything that you need is there. So if you want to compress, click compress. You have that. Go back to your home. Whatever you want, it is there. The desktop app is pretty straightforward. So whatever you want, you can simply tap on it. It will open up in a new window, as you can see, and you can basically use the app. At any point in, you can simply upgrade, and you will be able to upgrade the plan. So how do you upgrade? You can simply go ahead. This will take you right over back to the website app. It will sign you in, and you'll be able to upgrade from here, right? So you can go to your account. It will take you over to the web app. Just simply sign in, continue with your Gmail or whichever account you have. And here you will be able to choose subscription, and you can start a trial or you can upgrade your account from here. So guys, these are the two ways that you can go ahead and install the small PDF application on your computer by simply using your browser, or even download the app directly to Windows. Very easy and very simple. I hope you found value here within this video. If you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below, and of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.